Hey guys, so what we have here are some blueberry banana pancakes from scratch. So you see all of the ingredients: some frozen blueberries, some sugar, some canola oil, vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, salt, almond milk, and flour, and 2 eggs. You need a nice old spatula and a non-stick pan. So of course we're just going to mix all the dry ingredients in. That's some flour, all right, so it looks like I put about 2 cups of the flour in. I don't recall how many pancakes this made. So then we got about a half a teaspoon, trying to sit here and gauge it, of the baking powder. I'm just telling y'all as I go and watch it. And we have another teaspoon of the baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of some salt. Mix all those dry ingredients in. And make sure your eggs are room temperature too, and your milk. At least not a very heavy chill. Don't mind the noise. I'm enjoying this fall weather outside. And be gentle when you mix your eggs in. You don't want to mix it too hard and get it rough. Anytime you have some dough, you don't want to be too rough. You want to be gentle and not over mix. Once it's mixed in, just stop and leave it right there. All right, and I melted some butter, about a half a stick of butter. I did leave that out of the ingredients, but I will list everything and the measurements in the description. But yeah, you got to get some melted butter in there. It makes a world of a difference. All right, 1/4 cup of some almond milk or regular whole milk, whatever milk you choose. And then I don't know why I was using that rubber flat spatula instead of a whisk. Yeah, get you a whisk if you can. And that's it. It's that simple. Your dry ingredients, a couple of wet. Get your pan ready. Pour it into the pan. Spray it. Make sure the pan is warm before you put the mixture in. Then immediately go ahead and put your bananas and then your blueberries. And then we'll flip it once we can tell that the bottom, you can kind of look at it and see that it's halfway cooked through. So you know the bottom is done, and then you flip it. And we do have this heat on medium. Don't put it on high. It'll cook through too fast and still be doughy in the inside. And just sprinkle on the blueberries. That way it'll kind of spread apart. I'm not doing anything to the blueberries special or the bananas. Are straight cut bananas and blueberries out of the bag or package. You could do fresh or frozen. It doesn't matter. And then yeah, you'll have your kids coming to the stove like mine's, ready for it. And then that's the magic right there. Put some sliced butter on top. What is a pancake without butter? You gotta put some more butter on there. Golden brown and fluffy. All right, and then instead of syrup, I used agave. It's just as good. It's just I don't know how you explain. It's like a mixture between or a cross between syrup and honey. It's so good. Sprinkle on some powdered sugar. just to make it pretty. You really don't have to. And voila. Y'all see how soft? Easy peasy, easy peasy. Just be gentle. Nice and fluffy. Yeah, enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all know the deal. Let your enemies know about this channel and the video. Let your best friend know. Let your ex-boyfriend, your ex-husband, your god sister, your pastor, your teacher, your tutorer, everybody, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Enjoy. Don't forget, I will have the detailed ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Thank you so much for commenting, subscribing, and sharing with the world. Much love. Y'all be safe.